Delicious quick homemade meal. Super crispy, tender, and juicy chicken nuggets. Sauté potatoes with crispy and herby skin. To create colorful dish, I made it creamy beets with horseradish, with a bit of sweetness as well as touch of heat. With this meal, I promise, you'll get big smiles around the table for sure. Cut the chicken breast into chunks or strips, creating bite-sized pieces. You may as well trimming away any excess skin that might be hanging on. In a medium bowl, combine together flour, eggs, cup of plain yogurt, and a lot of different herbs. Like salt, pepper, Italian herbs, sweet and spicy paprika, or you can substitute with pepper flakes, ground cumin, thyme, and curry powder. Whisk all the ingredients until well combined. This step is optional. Because I'm a big fan of garlic in my food, I'm adding minced garlic and freshly grated ginger. And now we just need to place and coat the chicken chunks into the mixture. Then cover and refrigerate for 3 hours, or for better results, I recommend overnight. Now, time for this yummy beet salad. Cut off beet greens and root ends. Wash and place in a medium saucepan. Then cover with the water and add half a teaspoon of salt. Bring water to a boil, reduce heat, and cook until fork tender, about 30 to 40 minutes. Of course, it depends how big they are. When they are tender, rinse and let it cool. Then peel and grate beets. You can as well drain off any excess liquid. Add horseradish, and some of those roots can be really powerful. That's why it depends how spicy and flavorful you want your salad to be. Add sugar, rice vinegar, salt, and pepper. Then stir well, cover, and refrigerate. This particular salad is a popular condiment in Eastern Europe, in Poland, for so many dishes. And today I'm presenting you a cold version of this dish. Time for potatoes. Peel, wash, and place in a medium saucepan potatoes. Then cover with the water, add garlic, freshly grinded black pepper, and salt. Then cook until fork tender for approximately 20 to 30 minutes. Ready potatoes cut into slices. Then heat the oil in a non-stick frying pan. Add sliced potatoes, then sprinkle with black pepper, oregano, and sweet paprika. Fry for a few minutes until they are beautifully golden brown on each side. As well, instead of frying potatoes, you can always bake them in preheated oven at 400 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. Last step is our crispy, juicy chicken nuggets. Right before frying the chicken, coat each piece in a flour with sesame seed, just like that. Then fry on each side for a few minutes until golden brown. And here you can as well use the oven instead. I wish you all could smell this chicken right now. To plate this meal, serve crispy chicken in the middle with herb potatoes on the side and your cold horseradish beet salad. You can garnish with green onions and sesame seeds on top. And enjoy! I hope you enjoyed this crispy, flavorful, and very colorful meal. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. This way you won't miss my next recipe. And I'll see you all next time.